We out here in the Mulberry Tree, getting my daily dosage. You know what I'm saying? Getting my H3O2s. It's the real water right here. Yeah. All right. Ucha. This is one of the most amazing times to be alive, as it is always and always will be forever. It is good to get outside in the sunlight due to the grand solar minimum and the new sun coming back, or the old sun, whatever you want to call it. It's a beautiful thing, and so if you're not outside getting some of this sunlight, you're not going to be able to activate none of your abilities. And what is your abilities? Your ability to critically think for yourself, to be wise, to be divine, to be love, to be joy. And look at this. Another. Look at that. Marley, you know what those are? Marley, you know what those are. Those are mulberries. This is a beautiful mulberry tree in this parking lot. Ain't nobody over here eating no mulberries. What I'm gonna do? You know what we gonna do? We gonna eat some mulberry. Oh, that's good. Marley, your great grandmother had a mulberry tree in her backyard. And so anytime I see a mulberry tree, I gotta get some of them. I feel like mulberry trees follow me around anywhere I go. Any and everywhere I go. You know what? I think I'm gonna collect me a whole bunch of mulberries and make me a mulberry pie. We found another mulberry tree. Yes, indeed. Who knew how to make a mulberry pie? I'm gonna have to look up a recipe to see if somebody can make a mulberry pie, mulberry cobbler, mulberry cake, something mulberry, you feel me? They fire solo dolo for sure. But I might as well collect some of these mulberries, because every time the wind blow, it's raining mulberries. And so I might as well collect some. There go one right there. One of them hit me in the damn head. Pop. Mulberry head. Pop. You feel me? We was out here eating mulberries.